Hello, my crafty friends. Yes, it's Jelly Bean. I know I haven't been here in a long time, y'all, but I got a lot of stuff going on, and I've sent out a few things, but this thing, I wanted to come show you something that I'm fixing to send out, and I couldn't send this out without showing y'all. I am so excited about the way this turned out, and it really took me a long time, and I had a few mishaps along the way, but I think it turned out awesome, and I want y'all to see it. I think I told y'all before, I'm in ScrapDaWorld's DieCut swap, and I'm not gonna put this up until after she does the reveal videos, but I wanted to show you what I created for it. And I was trying to think of something. I noticed in her previous DieCut swap that she had to take out all the die cuts to show everyone what they were. So I was trying to think of a way to she could see them without unpacking every single die cut. So this is what I come up with, and I kind of made a book. And this is the front of the book, and I made a paper dress. Now this paper, I used two paper collections, and I used the Prima Lavender and the Stamperia Lavender something. I'll put it down in the description box below on the exact paper pads, but I took some wallpaper and I made me a book, and this is the wallpaper. It's a real dark plum purple. And y'all know purple's my favorite color, so I had to do a little bit. I started to do it in Tamika's favorite colors, but the last swap I did in her favorite colors, but I'm gonna send her some stuff in her favorite colors, so it's all good. But I took and I made a book out of the wallpaper, and then I took a piece of, this is the background paper here is the Stamperia paper, and it's just a purple with polka dots. And then I took a stencil, and I stenciled some words. My friend P sent me the stencil with the script on it, and I love it. I use it all the time. See down there where I used it? And these little pieces here are laser cut chipboard from Little Birdie, and then the various ribbons and trims and everything I got at different places, mostly in my stash. I made this little tag that I printed out from My Porch Prints, and this is a Dollar Tree image, and this I bought from a lady that sells on YouTube every Thursday. I also put, not a whole dolly, but it's a little bit more than half, and I cut it and I put it there. This is the wire. I made the hanger out of the wire that you get at Dollar Tree in the floral section. And then I just have some tatting on here on the dress, and some dangle lace, some seam binding, a couple paper flowers, and this purple trim, and some trim here, and made a little necklace. And I thought this turned out so cute. On the spine, I put some lace that I got from Esme Crafty Me Shop on Facebook. And on the back, I made a pocket, and here's my information here about the swap, and I got my information on this card in behind that can pull out and put back in there. Alicia got me those. And I made some fabric tags. I put one of those there, and these are different die cuts. These are some bags, some little gift bags, and I just made a topper on that. Excuse me. Y'all excuse my hands. I've been crafting all day and night. These are some of the pockets, the rose pockets, and each one I cut out 4 a purple, a rose gold foil, and gold foil, and either a lavender or white. And this is the little tag that folds over like a book where you can put information on the inside. And these are some little die cuts that make like a sign, and these are the pieces that go in the center. So that is the outside of the book, and I'm real proud of the way that turned out, but the magic's on the inside, y'all. And I hope y'all are gonna be able to see this. I don't know if y'all are not, but I took and put, wait a minute, let me take my little note off, because there's something you have to do before you open the book. And I'm fixing to show y'all. I made a knot trying to untie it. Okay. Before you open the book, there are two little switches. And here's a switch you're going to turn on. And here's a switch down here on the bottom, just the same. There's a little arrow you're going to turn on. And, hang on. My lid came off that one. I made boxes for each die cut, and I made them light up. So the die cut shows through. I put it in vellum like that. I put a black one in vellum, and then I put the lights around the inside of the box with the pack of die cuts to match inside. So this was hard to figure out, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to you. I had a time trying to figure out how to hide all the wires and everything. And I'll show you the little set. One minute, here they are. This is what made it possible, are these little, let me turn some light back on so y'all can see. Sorry for the rocking. I have to suspend my phone in the air here. These are what made this possible, and these are little tiny lights. That one's not. See, they're little tiny lights like this on a wire, and the battery pack takes watch batteries instead of those great big AAA batteries. And these come in, I ordered wholesale, and they had a clearance section. I was looking through, and they had like a scrapbook paper pad, but it was acetate and foil to make little lanterns, and these lights come with it to light up the lanterns. So I kind of stole them out of those. But I am very excited about the way this turned out. My battery packs I put in the spine here and hid all the wires underneath the top one, and I had to put a layer of foam tape so the wires would have room to squish down but not be seen. And then I poked holes through the bottom of the paper and in the boxes so I could pull up the lights inside. I don't know if you can see that, but that's the way I did it. And I'm excited the way it turned out, y'all. I am very excited, and I can't wait for Tamika to see it. I hope she really likes it, and I hope my other swap partners like it, because I made 3 for LaSoyna and Audrey, who were my swap partners, and they're 2 people I've never swapped with before, so hopefully they like what I made. And thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a crafty day, and I'll see you real soon. Bye for now.